Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the last April Play by Sephora box. So Sephora has announced that they will not be having the monthly subscription anymore. So this is the last box that we'll be unboxing from them. And when you do get this box, it comes with what's inside in the box, this pamphlet with the prices and information. And it looks like we also have these stickers. Okay. So the first item I see here is the Origins Mega Mushroom Soothing Treatment Lotion. Let's see how much the full size of this retails for. So the full size does not say here. Okay, but it does say that it is a light calming lotion used with mushroom infused formula to reduce the look of redness. Then it tells you how you can use it and everything. Okay. The next item in here is the Shiseido face sunscreen with an SPF of 42. So let's see what that looks like. So it's this small bottle. Okay. The next item is this KVD lipstick sample. So this is not the full size, it's just a sample of 3 colors of Outlaw, Lolita, and Vampira. So I think this is the bonus item that's put in there. Usually they have a perfume sample, but this time they gave a lipstick sample. Okay, let's go on to the next product. The next one is this Bare Minerals lipstick, and the shade is Honesty. It's the name of the shade, and let's see what it looks like. Looks like that. It's this pinkish color. Light pink. That's what it looks like. Okay. Let's go on to the next item. The next item is the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a cream, a water cream. Okay. And the last item in the box are these Benefit Cosmetics Real Mascara. So this is what it looks like. And let's see what the wand looks like. Looks like a standard plastic bristled wand. Okay. And that is the last item in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. if you guys like this, please like and subscribe for more unboxing videos and other items as well. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.